Look at these nails. What do you see? Are these normal nails? Well, these are very old, rusted, and like brown, reddish. What? These are very, very old nails. But how have they become like this? You have studied in our previous lectures what is rusting. Well, this is what has happened with these nails. It has rusted. Well, rusting is a slow oxidation process in which iron, that is this iron nails, slowly reacts with oxygen of the air in presence of moisture and produces a flaky brown substance called rust. So here, these flakes you can see on these nails that has come on the nails, this is called rust. So what has happened? The iron of these nails has reacted with oxygen in the air in the presence of moisture, and it has produced a flaky brown substance, this called rust. You're already familiar with this. Now, look at this picture. This. What do you think is happening here? Well, things are burning. Now, when things are burnt, they either turn like dark brown or black. So is it same as rusting? What do you think? Well, to define burning, burning is a process in which a substance reacts with oxygen. Now, till here, it is similar to rusting as it happens when a substance reacts with oxygen to give heat and light. Now, this is something different than rusting. Now, what happens when things rust? Do you see heat and light coming out of it? Look. Look here. Heat and light coming out of it? No. But when things burn, they give out immense heat and light. So let us see what are the differences and similarities between rusting and burning. So let us compare both rusting and burning. Now, one of the similarities between rusting and burning is that both need oxygen. Just now, in the definition of both, you could see that even rusting requires oxygen and even burning requires oxygen. Why is this? Now, oxygen actually reacts with iron to produce a flaky brown substance called rust. So, oxygen is necessary for rusting, and you know that oxygen is a combustible gas. So, it supports combustion. So, it is also required for burning. Now, this process forms oxides. Now, this is very, very clear that if a substance reacts with oxygen, both of them will produce what? Oxides of that substance. So, when rusting takes place, iron oxide is formed, and even when burning takes place, different kinds of gases such as carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, these kind of oxides are formed. So, these were the two similarities between rusting and burning. Can you recall? One, both need oxygen, and the second, both form oxides. Now, let us see some differences between rusting and burning. One difference is that in the process of rusting, slow oxidation takes place. Just now you saw that both require oxygen and both form oxide, but in the case of rusting, this is a slow process. In one day, the new iron nail will not rust on its own. It will take some time. But in case of burning, fast oxidation takes place. Well, if you burn a paper right now, it will burn immediately. It won't take a long time to burn. So you can say that in burning, fast oxidation takes place, while in rusting, slow oxidation takes place. Now, in rusting, little heat is released, while in burning, large amount of heat is released. Well, in rusting, you cannot see that heat. It is not that immense. So you can say very little heat is released. Well, when chemicals react, or you can say when these metals and oxygen these react, they will give out some heat. But that heat will not be so visible to us. But during burning, large amount of heat is released. That is why you see so much of heat and light when burning takes place. Now, both air and moisture are necessary for rusting. Well, have you heard about that experiment where we take 3 nails and we put them in 3 test tubes? You will notice that if you cut off air or you cut off moisture or you cut off both, then iron nail will not rust. Both air and moisture are necessary for rusting to take place. So both air and moisture are necessary for rusting, but for burning, only air is necessary, because during burning, one needs oxygen because oxygen is a combustible gas. So during burning, only air is necessary. So these are the three differences between rusting and burning. Let's recall. Slow oxidation takes place in rusting, while fast oxidation takes place in burning. Now little heat is released in rusting, while large amount of heat is released in burning. And both air and moisture are necessary for rusting, while only air is necessary for burning. So this was the comparison between rusting and burning.